Ever wonder what the 611 number does? Dial 611 from your cell phone and you connect straight to your wireless carrier's customer service, free, on every major U.S. network. No looking up a 1-800 number. Here's how it works. 611 is a short code. When you dial it, your network routes the call to your own carrier support based on which network your SIM connects to. The call is free, and it won't touch your prepaid minutes either. On T-Mobile, 611 hits an automated menu first. Say, representative, or press 0 for a live person. Their team of experts runs 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. local time, and quick dial codes pull your balance or minutes without waiting on hold. AT&T runs 611 as a 24/7 line, one of the few with no restricted hours. Go through the menu for billing, tech support, or account changes. Prefer not to call? The My ATT app or chat at att.com work too. Verizon is the odd one out. Dial *611 with an asterisk. Both reach the same place. But Verizon's official docs list *611. Live service runs every day, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern. Outside that, automated self-service only. Through 611, you can dispute a bill, change your plan, add or remove lines, and troubleshoot signal. It's also the fastest way to report a lost phone and suspend service, and a rep can reset your voicemail password in under 2 minutes. When won't 611 work? If your service is suspended, some carriers block it. It also won't connect on a non-participating prepaid brand or while you're roaming internationally. The code is home network only. In those cases, call the carrier's 1-800 number from any phone. So just dial 611 whenever you need your carrier. Faster than hunting a 1-800 number and always free. Verizon users, dial *611 and call weekday mornings. In our tracking, they average 3-minute waits versus 9 at night. Full guide on phone.